Gala Games is one of the coins that I still believe is going to give us more than a 10x gain in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be focusing on my long-term price prediction analysis and above all, give you my short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening. You can see that last year we got our bear market lows down there before we started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high this year above the 0.08702 in a move that I'm terming as an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, whose minimum target areas I highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to that high in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, an area that we fully maximized. And at some point we saw a break to the lower side of this blue target area, to the lower side, and at some point we lost the last line of support here on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88, and that put a strain to this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 structure that I have right here on the chart, suggesting that there were high chances that we are going to see a total reset of the bear market lows that we made last year here on the Gala Games chart. And at the time of this recording, we have not yet seen a total reset of the bear market lows, and there are still high chances that we could still see another recovery to the upside where we can easily bounce back in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the bear market lows to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave, which perfectly lies above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.13504. And if that is the case and we get a massive bounce in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be more than a 10x to the upside for us to hit those highs in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5. We also need to see a 5-wave structure forming here on the charts to confirm to us that the low that we made on the 5th of August down there is the last low that we are going to get in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, and we have now started another change of structure in the next for the next coming weeks, where we can now start seeing higher prices in this larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. And this micro 𝗕𝗲𝗃 structure is what I am trying to track on the short-term time frames. And jumping to the 1-hour chart to show you the structure that I have since the 5th of August when we saw a massive breakdown move. If I zoom in on the charts, you can see that on the 5th of August, after getting a massive breakdown move, we started a very nice recovery to the upside where we first peaked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, continued to see higher prices in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which is an area that we have now fully maximized above the 0.0219, and there are high chances that whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of a short-term pullback in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, and this lies between the 0.01966 and the 0.01855, which is the area over here. So there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a bit of a short-term pullback into this blue target area, get a low for this Elliot wave count 4, then get another aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5 in a move that can easily get us back above the 0.025 or maybe above the 0.026. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term here on the Gala Games chart. I have also given you my long-term price prediction analysis and reasons as to why we can easily see a 10x in the next coming weeks. So that is all for this video, and I hope to catch you on my next video update.